This tutorial will show how to quickly model radial ramps in ETABS. For this exercise, we will create a small 2x3 grid to define our ramps 4 stories tall. On this grid, draw a line on the top floor plan that will serve as the radius centered on grids 2A to sweep out our radial ramp. Change the units to feet. Select the line, then click on the Edit menu and the Extrude Lines to Areas command. This is the key command for ramp generation. Click on the Radial tab and enter the XY coordinates of the ramp center. For this example, the ramp will be generated in 10-degree increments for 18 segments, or 180 degrees, and will drop 1 floor, or 12 feet. Turn on the Object Fill to get a better display of the ramp. Next, box around and select all the objects in the 3D view. Go to the Edit, Replicate command and select Story 3, 2, and 1 to generate additional ramps at each story. When we change the viewpoint, you can see that there are now radial ramps for each floor. This concludes this tutorial.